What's going on there, guys, and welcome back to another great video on our channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about Jake Paul's current financial mishap. You'd be surprised to know what actually happened. Here's the truth behind Jake Paul's Bitcoin investment. Jake Paul is exposed by his brother. As many of you already know, Jake Paul and his older brother Logan Paul have had their ups and downs in their career. Their relationship is totally unpredictable, which somehow has something to do with Jake's financial status. Logan Paul, who has also seen his fair share of drama, the most prominent of which being the Suicide Forest incident, he has claimed that his brother is now bankrupt as a result of investing all of his money in cryptocurrencies. He provided the details on his Impulsive podcast, ironically, and the material seems to have been supported by a naturally contentious tweet that Jake himself made on the topic. When Logan used exaggerated language to characterize Jake's boxing record, the feud erupted and co-hosts George and Mike swiftly defended the younger sibling. In addition to George's comment that things were going rather well for Jake and that he had won each battle, Mike said that he had earned about $40 million the previous year. But like any other sibling, Logan was ready to reply to his brother's attempts to belittle him by saying, "It doesn't matter. He put it all in crypto. He's poor." Why did Jake Paul go bankrupt? What distinguishes Jake's position from that of anybody else, given that many individuals have just started investing in cryptocurrencies and NFTs? Bitcoin in particular has suffered greatly in recent months and has been trending lower. The price of the currency is now at its lowest point since December of 2020. Many people believe Logan is just making things up about his brother's financial situation, which is probably true given that he was among the top 10 earners among athletes under the age of 25 and that he continues to make money from his hugely successful YouTube channel, which has over 20 million subscribers. Jake blames America for going bankrupt. The situation, however, is not entirely a lie, as Jake commented on a tweet he sent on June 11th saying, "Biden achieves the highest gas prices ever, the worst inflation rate ever, the third lowest crypto prices ever, the fourth highest rent prices ever, and the fifth highest creation of new incomprehensible languages." You appear to be the American issue if you're reading this, and don't regret voting for Biden. He's made an attempt to place the blame for his predicament on the current president of the United States, Joe Biden. It appears that many people were offended by this tweet's content as they replied with things like, "My man blames Biden for crypto. You know, he's one of the main dudes pumping and dumping." Are you blaming Biden for crypto, the thing that's advertised as uncontrollable by the government? And finally, if you don't understand how literally anything works, just say that Jake Paul might have been able to garner sympathy from his audience and other public watchers if he didn't have a long list of mistakes and drama behind him. Jake Paul's most embarrassing controversies over the years. Let's go over a list of some of Jake's greatest hits throughout the years for those of us who don't know. When he broke up with his girlfriend Alyssa Violet, everything started to become steamy. He accused her of infidelity, and she said that he had mistreated her emotionally and physically throughout the relationship. After moving into the Team 10 house and frequently causing damage after the breakup, Alyssa Violet posted a YouTube video detailing what it was like to live there. She discussed the rules they had regarding how much money they had to pay for Jake to drink alcohol and about having to be awake at specific times in order to produce content. He's also struggled with accusations of being racist and misogynistic and of defrauding his young followers of their money via what he dubbed influencer workshops. Given Jake's track record, it won't be long until we see him back in the world of online dramas for a fresh project. We can only wait and see right now. How severe is Jake's loss? Paul may have invested part of his incomes in these scams without recognizing they were frauds, despite the fact that he has gained significant money by endorsing many unsuccessful cryptocurrency initiatives. His defeats might be terrible in that way, but Bitcoin, which has so far shown to be the most secure investment in cryptocurrency, is known to have long been a favorite of Jake's. He has previously said that when he was 16 and the price of the top cryptocurrency by market capitalization was about $100 per token, he invested all of the money from his first Vine brand agreement. Even if the Bitcoin or US dollar exchange rate is now trading around 60% below its $69,000 peak from November 2021, Paul would still have made a profit of almost 280 times on his investment. Jake Paul would likely be sitting on a handsome profit by the end of this decade if he invested any sizable percentage of his $40 million in 2021 profits in Bitcoin. Many predict that the value of the cryptocurrency would rise into the hundreds of thousands of tokens, if not 1 million. The Paul brothers devoured the world of YouTube many years ago. Now, it seems like the younger brother is facing some serious financial issues, but it's expected that he will recover. And that about brings us to the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel as well as hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos in the future. Until next time, take care and goodbye.